Motherfucker's not doing shit.
Oh, yeah, there he goes.
I'll get me to my fucking swing.
We'll get me for the majority of the video. And then Mr. Stone.
Yeah.
And the fucking victim. Where is it? His television.
Let's back it up just a little bit. I don't want to hit you with this swing off. You want to take a swing?
Absolutely.
I don't think we're going to be taking that one to Best Buy.
Making a ridiculous mess.
Okay. Get a couple cracks. Yeah, that's what I was about to say. Get a couple cracks from the top of that.
Take out your light or something.
Oh,
Here you go, man.
yeah.
He's pretty much done for now.
I'm gonna switch out my golf club.
I think I got little bits of glass and shit in my hair.
Yeah?
Maybe. Or fiberglass, something. This shit is ridiculous.
Let's get Mr. fucking Sylvana, because that's the real fucking culprit. She's fucking engineering. Piece of glass is worth my forehead. We took out the whole Sylvana.
Fucking ridiculous, dude.
Alright, that was fun.
No. Now let's just throw it out your window.
Oh shit. I'm afraid the fucking building people would see that shit.
Probably. Well,
Or a fucking cop.
that's how Mr. Stone takes care of his broken TV.